Hey guys, Ask here today. Now today I am doing an unboxing, which if you've ever wanted to know what a £20 smartwatch from eBay is going to be like, well, I'm going to do an unboxing of that. I've got it in the packaging here. Like I said, it's £20. I'm not really expecting much really. I mean, if it works, it's a bonus initially for my initial reaction to this. But yeah, I'm intrigued to see how, first of all, well, let's get over the first hurdle. Will it work? Second of all, how functional it's going to be. I'm expecting it to work, obviously, with Android, basically with an Android phone as being a smartwatch. So I'm expecting it mainly to work with Android and have the best functionality with Android. But yeah, let's go on and review it and see what a £20 smartwatch is like. Okay guys, time to unbox this now. I'm just going to tear into the packaging like so. Probably would have been easier to get some scissors or anything like that, but tearing in. So, okay, so just taking it out of the box. It comes in a box and got a little brand there called Smartwear. Anything else I don't really know. It's got a QR code on, so lifting up like so. And first thoughts is that actually looks all right in terms of presentability. Really, it looks all right. You know, you get a box, get rid of that, and then yeah, you've now got it in like that. Let's take, oh, it flips open like that. Okay, so first thing noticing with this, it is very light to touch. So I've got it in there. So I've got an instruction manual, which is good because I'll need that. So apparently it does work with iOS as well. In the instructions there, so it works with iOS as well, so that will be good. Whether the functionality is the same as it is on Android, I will be using this with Android, so whether the functionality is still the same, I wouldn't be able to take from this review initially, but yeah, so now let me take it out. So in the first bit of thing, you have got a charger. Okay, so it's just a pretty straightforward USB charger. You've got two little prongs. Oh, don't know if you can see that, two little prongs there. That will obviously be used to charge it. Okay, and now for the watch itself, to take that out. Okay, it does come with a silver strap. Struggling to get this out now. Okay, so there we go. Slide that away in. There, oh, there we go, guys. So straight away, first initial reactions are it is very shiny. So those, yeah, that's my initial reaction to it. In terms of the strap itself, very lightweight material. The actual overall thing is actually really light. It's not really carrying any weight to it at all. So that's I think. What's probably not worth noting is this has got like a magnetic thing there. So that's how it basically connects to this strap. Okay. Suppose I should probably go to the instructions now to figure out how you turn this on. So let's look at the instruction manuals to see how to turn it on. Apparently there should be a button on here somewhere. Okay, so there is a little protective film over the top. So I'll take that off. Why not? This may need to be charged first. Got a feeling it will need to be. Yeah, so, okay, so let me charge it up and then we'll take it from there. Okay guys, so I have got it to work, which is the good news. So if I zoom in there, so there you go, I've got it to work. Obviously I've not done any steps with it yet. So you've got the date, the time. It comes up with an app called H-Band, and it's H-Band which you use to basically connect the watch to. It should work with iOS as well as Android, because it's an app that basically connects a Bluetooth device. So after you get to the first time, you then got a fitness one where you can see calories and distance on there. You got a heart rate monitor on there. You've also got a blood pressure monitor on there. You've got a sleep tracker. Basically, not a clue what that is, so we'll skip that one. And then you've got the Mac and stuff like that on there. So yeah, overall, it is. I keep on wanting to pretty much turn this little bit here, but it doesn't turn. But I feel like I really want to. It's got a heart rate monitor, as discussed there. Overall, the design. It's obviously a shiny design. It is really lightweight, to say that. And there you can see the silver. But yeah, what's surprising me most about this is how lightweight it is as a watch. So I guess the last thing is to see how good it looks on a wrist. Okay guys, this is what the watch looks like on my wrist. It can be quite temperamental in terms of doing the old flicky motion for it to come on. If you move the wrist around enough, eventually you'll get it. But yeah, like I say, it can be temperamental. If I just do that, there you go, you can see what it's like on the wrist. One of the things I've noticed initially is that it rarely stays on at all, so you literally get a quick snippet before the screen turns off again. I don't know whether that's just a time saving mode, battery rather saving mode, but yeah, it's a really quick time you do actually get to look at the watch. But yeah, that is what it looks like on my wrist. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on this and whether you've enjoyed this video today. This has been Ignite Oscar.